Hello everyone, my name is Ethan Alexander. Today I'm going to show you experiments on the 5 process of changing matter. First experiment, freezing. Freezing ay ang prosesong kung saan ang liquid substance ay nagiging solid. The materials we need is a glass of water, an ice tray, freezer. First off, we will put the water in the ice tray. We'll put it in the freezer overnight. After 12 hours. After 12 hours, nag-freeze na yung water. Nag-freeze yung water dahil sa mababang temperatura. Ang liquid ay naging solid. Ito ay tinatawag na freezing. Second experiment, melting. Melting. Ang pagbabagong ito ay nagaganap kapag ang solid ay naiinitan at naging liquid. Things needed: ice and a plate. First, let's put an ice on the plate. Then we'll wait for it to melt. Dahil sa mainit na klima ng paligid, ang ice ay unting-unting nagme-melt. As you can see, the ice has officially turned liquid. From solid to liquid, this experiment is called melting. Third experiment, evaporation. Evaporation. Ang pagbabagong ito ay nagaganap kapag naiinitan ang liquid at nagpapalit anyo tungo sa pagiging gas. Things needed: a pan, water, and heat from the induction cooker. First, I will put water in the pan. And then, turn on the heat. And we will wait for it to evaporate. As you can see, the water is evaporating and turning into gas. As you can see, there is no water on the pan left. The water is totally evaporated. This experiment is called evaporation. Fourth experiment, condensation. Condensation ay isang proseso ng physical na pagbabago na kung saan ang gas ay nagiging liquid. Ang malamig na temperatura ang lubos na nakakaepekto sa pagbabagong physical na gas. Things needed: water, a glass, and ice. First, we will put water in the glass. And then put ice. And then let's wait until it moist. As I observe, I can see little droplets of water outside of the glass. This experiment is called condensation. Fifth experiment, sublimation. Sublimation ay ang prosesong pagbabago ng physical na anyo ng solid patungong gas na hindi dumadaan sa pagiging liquid. Things needed: mothballs, a glass, gas burner, and aluminum plate. First, I will put the mothballs on the plate. Then, I will put the glass on top of it. Then, put the gas burner. A few moments later, as you can see, the mothballs that is solid turned into gas because of the high temperature. This is what you call sublimation. My experiments are done. Thank you for watching.